Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to customize the vibration for the messages on this device. Simply go to settings, scroll to bottom, tap on apps. From the list of application, tap on the option messages. Tap on notifications. Then from here select the option sounds. Tap on haptics. So now the haptics is enabled. If you want to change the haptics, you can select any one from here. So if you want to create a new vibration mode, select the option create new vibration. Then here we need to tap to create the vibration. Like this one. That's it. Tap on save. Then you can save this as any name. Okay, tap on save. Now you can see that one is here and this is selected. So here you can see. So simply in this way we can customize the vibration for the messages on this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.